Heartily welcome to all to the new YouTube channel GKAG. Question number 1. Which country introduced banking ombudsman first? Answer Sweden. Next, where is the world's first motor racing contest held? Answer France. Which is the first country in the world to adopt freedom of the press into its constitution? Answer Sweden. Which country is famous for giving the world the first female prime minister? Answer Sri Lanka. Who was the first woman prime minister of Sri Lanka? Answer Zirimavo Bandaranike. First female president of the world from which country? Answer Argentina. Who was the first woman president in the world? Answer Maria Stella Peron. Which African country was the first to gain independence from colonial rule? Answer Ghana. What is the old name of Ghana? Answer Gold Coast. Which is the first African Republic country? Answer Liberia. Which is the capital of Liberia? Answer Monrovia. Which country was the first to population control? Answer India. Which was the first Asian country to introduce cyber laws? Answer India. Which European country was the first to establish trade relation with India through sea? Answer Portugal. Which country first discovered hydrogen bomb? Answer USA. Which country hosted the first modern Olympics game? Answer Greece. Which was the first nation in the southern hemisphere to host the Olympics? Answer Australia. What country has the oldest monarchy? Answer Japan. Which country has the oldest surviving federal system? Answer USA. Which country still has an emperor as head of state? Answer Japan. Where is the world's oldest republic? Answer San Marino. Which country have the oldest lyrics in national anthem? Answer Japan. Question number 23. Which country has the oldest national anthem? Answer Netherlands. Which country has the oldest parliamentary in the world? Answer Iceland. Which is the oldest parliament in the world? Answer Althingi. If you like my videos, please subscribe, share and also enable bell icon. See you soon.